video, I will be showing you how to set up and use the Nectar Pollen Smasher, as well as covering a few details specific to this product. The Pollen Smasher is a rosin press machine that uses its sheer power and insane efficiency to create the best possible potent concentrate. The Nectar Pollen Smasher features an 8-ton hydraulic press, a precision temperature gauge, a pressure gauge, and you can expect an incredible yield of around 27%. Let's unbox the Pollen Smasher to see what else comes with it. Before we continue with the video, if you're enjoying the video or finding it helpful, then remember to hit the like button. And if you want to stay tuned with our latest videos, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be notified when we release new content. And most importantly, if you have any questions, then drop them in the comment section below and we'll get answering within a day or two. While I unbox the Nectar Pollen Smasher, let me just remind you that each machine comes with a 2-year warranty, and we also offer 24/7 lifetime support, so if you ever need to get in touch, feel free to WhatsApp us. In the box, you get all the extra accessories you need to ensure the easiest and most assured pressing experience with the Nectar Pollen Smasher. So when you open the box, just make sure that you have an AC power cord, a rosin toolkit, a silicone case, parchment paper, filter bags, and an extensive user manual, which includes lots of useful information like nectar pressing tips, so definitely check it out. Now let's put it together so we can get pressing. We want to carefully lift the Nectar Pollen Smasher out of the box and onto a large, sturdy, flat surface, as well as any other parts that come with it. Be sure to get rid of any packaging material. Now let's connect the power cable to the press and plug it into a socket. We will also need to attach the press lever, which is super easy. You see the slot here? You literally just put it in, and that is about all the assembling that this product needs. It is super straightforward and easy to use. The Nectar Pollen Smasher is an incredibly powerful rosin press despite its lightweight and superb portability, featuring 6x12 dual heating aluminium plates with a precision temperature gauge for even heating, as well as a pressure gauge. And a massive 8-ton pressure capacity. This press is a great way to thoroughly extract plant resin. This product also includes a digital timer and temperature control mechanism and fast heating technology for effortless pressing and thorough extraction. The Pollen Smasher exerts high compressive force, which allows more product to press at once. Specifically, this device can reasonably manage up to 20 grams of dried flour, though much depends on product density and machine settings. Proper use can yield up to 27% concentrate to plant matter. The pollen puncher weighs 19 kilograms, which isn't too heavy considering it can press 8 tons. You could potentially bring this impressive piece of machinery around with you wherever you may need to, as it also features this lovely handle for ease of portability. It has 600 watts of power and is able to exert 8 tons of compression force onto your chosen material. Before you start pressing, you should prepare the materials that you will be pressing. There are tips on how to best prepare your material for the optimal yield and quality in the user manual. First, ensure that the plate power connections as well as the lever are all secured in place. As mentioned before, you need to plug in the press and then flip the on-off switch, which should also light up the control panel. Now, as you can see, I haven't connected the plates yet, so I will just do that now. Before we can start pressing, we need to open the device settings mode. So to do that, you need to press and hold the set button, which is this button here on the bottom left. And as you hold it, you should see lot appear on the screen. Now, using the up and down buttons, we want to put that number on the lock settings to 88, and you can just hold the up button rather than continuously pressing it, and the same goes for the down button. And as you can see here, the number 88 has been reached, so we want to press the set button again and toggle through the settings until we see CF, which is the temperature settings. Here we go. So here you can use the up and down buttons again to choose whether you want Celsius or Fahrenheit, as you can see here. But I'd like Celsius, so that's what I'm going to stick to. So what we want to do now is press and hold the set button to confirm and go back to the home screen. Now that we're on the home screen, what you want to do is press and hold the up button to reset the counter to 0000. However, mine is already on that, so I'm not going to change it. Next, we want to rotate the hydraulic jack release anti-clockwise to open the plates if they're closed. However, mine are pretty much already open. We now want to set the control panel up, so to do this, press the set button to go to the temperature setting mode. And as you can see here, it's lit up so you can adjust the temperature settings. Press the up or down buttons to select your desired temperature. The Nectar Pollen Puncher has a temperature range of 0 to 250 degrees. I'm going to put it onto 70 just for this video demonstration purpose. However, you can choose whatever temperature you would like. So once you've decided which temperature you would like, you can press the set button once again to confirm your temperature, which should also move on to the time mode. As you can see, it is flashing here, which means we are now on the time mode. So what you want to do is press up or down until you reach your desired time. So I'm going to just stick to 30 seconds. And then press and hold the set button to confirm your time setting and start the heating process. So it is all started and the heating process should be beginning. Now, as you can see, the plates have actually already reached a temperature of 100 degrees, so they are just slowly cooling down to 70 degrees, as that's what I set it to. However, for you, you might be heating up at the moment, so just wait until it has finished heating and then we can start pressing. Once your desired temperature has been reached, you will know because the heating icon, which is usually here, will turn off. However, it's not on here right now because it's actually cooling down. Okay guys, so as you can see, it is now on 70 degrees Celsius, which means we have reached our desired temperature. So what you want to do now is carefully place the prepared material, which may be a puck in some parchment paper, in the center of the bottom plate. Now be careful guys, because it will be very hot. Once you have done that, pump the press lever until you reach your desired pressure. So remember guys, you can actually see the pressure that you're applying right here on the pressure gauge. So keep your eye on that. But once you have reached the pressure that you want, you can now let go of the lever as the pressure applied will be maintained. Now what you want to do is press the red start-stop timer button to start your desired time countdown, and it will start showing a countdown on the screen. There you go, you can see it. So now we wait. By the way, once the countdown has ended, the Nectar Pollen Smasher will start beeping. So we'll just press the timer button again to stop the alarm. So as you can hear, the alarm is now going off. So all you want to do is press this button again and it will stop. And to retrieve all your press material, you want to rotate the hydraulic jack release again to release the plate. Then carefully remove the press materials using a tool or heat resistant gloves. Remember, these plates will be very hot, so be very careful. And you can now turn the machine off by flipping the switch and unplugging it, but be sure to wait until the plates cool down completely before cleaning or putting the press away. Before we wrap this video up, here are some tips that we thought you might like to know. As we mentioned before, the Nectar Pollen Smasher is ideal for pressing up to 20 grams of material at one time. Therefore, if you want to press more than that, then you may be better off with one of our bigger presses like the Nectar Pollen Crusher, which has bigger plates. If you need any assistance, please feel free to message our WhatsApp. We hope this video helped you out and that you enjoy your Nectar Pollen Smasher. And remember, if you enjoyed the video, then remember to hit the like button. If you found it helpful or simply want to stay tuned with our latest videos, then please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell button to be notified when we release new content. And most importantly, if you have any questions, then drop them in the comment section below, as we'll get answering within a day or two. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.